Want to learn how to quickly create a QR code for your Google Forms in Unicode? In this video, I'll show you how to do that and explain why Unicode might not be your best option for this task. Stick around because by the end, I'll also share some tools that could make your QR code creation process much smoother with some exclusive offers for you. First, let's talk about creating a QR code in Unicode. It's simple enough. Start by opening the Unicode platform and selecting Create a QR code. You'll be prompted to choose the URL or form you want to link the QR code to. In this case, you'll paste your Google Forms URL into the box. Next, click on Generate and you'll see a QR code pop up on the screen. You can customize it by adjusting the color, adding a logo, or changing the design. While the customization options are nice, they are pretty basic when compared to some other QR code generators. Next thing, let's consider the limitations. Unicode offers the essentials for QR code generation, but when it comes to managing multiple codes or using advanced features like analytics or dynamic QR codes, you're pretty much on your own. Unicode doesn't offer much in terms of tracking, which can be a deal breaker for those who need more than just a simple code. The fourth thing is user experience. It's not as intuitive as you might expect. Sure, the steps are simple, but navigating the interface can feel a little clunky. The options are all there, but they aren't organized in the most user-friendly way. Now, before you decide if Unicode is right for you, let's take a step back. There are a few competitors out there that might offer a better solution. Tools like QR Code Generator or QResTUFEF provide more functionality and better analytics, especially if you need to track how many people scanned your code, or if you want to use dynamic codes that you can edit later. Now, the key takeaway, Unicode might work for simple QR code creation, but if you're after a smoother experience and more powerful features like tracking and dynamic edits, I highly recommend checking out those alternatives. And before we wrap up, let me mention that through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial for one of these alternatives. Plus, there are amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers. So if you want a better, more efficient QR code generator for Google Forms, be sure to check out the link in the description. That's it for today. I hope this video helped you understand how to create a QR code for Google Forms in Unicode and what other options might be a better fit for your needs.